As attacks on our nation's power infrastructure increase, so too does the need for security hardening at these vulnerable locations. FDC Gates StrongWeld Defender is the premier ballistic gate defense system built to protect our nation's utilities. Anti-terrorism gates designed with maximum security in mind. Constructed with ballistic rated panels, our sliding gates are designed to reduce damage done from firearm attacks on power stations, utilities companies, and other government facilities. We have helped many high-security facilities with FERC security hardening and NERC security hardening projects. Key switch entry, card entry, or your preferred method of access control. For over 40 years, FDC has been an expert in the automatic gate and access control industry. Available for installation anywhere in the continental US. We ship anywhere in the United States. Speak with an FDC consultant today and have StrongWeld defend your facility. We work with engineers, general contractors, and end users to provide the best security solution possible.